Welcome back everyone to video 6 of the Escort. Matthew, Colin's made an appearance again. Colin's always here. He makes a banging cup of tea. On the last video I never give him credit, so Colin, thanks for the tea, pal. Anyhow, Matthew's done some work on these now, taping these in a bit more for me. 10 times better. What a job. We've been working through spoiler. You can see now where this was all fiberglass before. Fixing the cracks and repairs. Fixing the leg. Little job today, we've got to take these doors off. Get them off the car. And you might be lucky enough to see us lay some paint and primer. We'll see. Cheeky, cheeky. And these are all painted nicely now. Painted with a gun. None of this can nonsense. Doors are now off the car. To remove the doors, you remove star drive, and the check strap, okay? You need to make sure you undo the wiring, and then you lift the doors up and extended. With an RS 2000 who's doing this, needs to know they need to tape it back for back with vents. Funny enough, a guy who reached out to me said that his was all blistering and bubbling and it's melted, and this is why. I got original vents and original bond on, you know. What I'll do, I'll show you underneath what I've had to do. I experienced the same problem. I kept cracking my paint because it's going so hot. So you can see the blistering and the bubbles. It cracked all the outside as well. Anyhow, lightly taped it away and shaved it there. And that's fixed the problem. I'm chuffed with the doors off. There's no rot or anything around here. But what I will be doing is making sure I wax oil in all these cavities when I finished, because they're prone to rusting out on this A-pillar. Again, I want to show you, this is the area which is key and prone to rotting out. All these rot out, and these A-pillars completely get destroyed and rot and let water into the seals and the screen. All this just basically is, what's it called? They'll come back to me now. Red oxide paint. So it's been treated previously and I just red oxided it. Obviously now I'll get sanded back and done as part of the paintwork. There's little holes here as well for sunroof. They're prone for like only paper, so tape them up, otherwise you're gonna have issues. But yeah, that's clean. Good. All the edges now edge primed. As always, die drinking a tea. Oops, almost forgot. I'll give us a quick sand because we need to get this in black today. It's 3 layers with white primer laid down now. Ready for some guide coat. going to apply the guide coat now. So after the primer's dried, then what we're going to do is block it back and sand it back, make sure there's no high spots and take out any orange peel kind of stuff. I'm going light with it. Guide coat's on. So we sand this back. What we need to do is make sure all the black is gone, and as a result you know it's flat. There's no high spots. We talked about this in the other videos. There we are, satin black finish on the lower bib, modelled by Katie. Thank you, Katie. Sanders Body Repairs. Whilst we're waiting for this paint to dry, how about taking some time to appreciate Matthew's ESCORT COSWORTH Big Turbo Lux Edition. Matthew's the owner of the body shop. This is the car that we used to replicate and to mirror off when we were coffeeing for mine. It's a beauty, isn't it? Ironically, just over 4 years ago, this car was a true barn find. It was purchased by the previous owner who kind of reconditioned it, got it back on the road, and MOT'd and road with it. Then ended with me.
One eternity later.
Just a video to mix it up a bit and break a video down. It's Sunday the 9th. I had 2-3 days off the car. Matthew's been working hard. It's been Chelsea's birthday, so I've got to be up the garage. We headed down to a local event in Swansea today. It was a bus museum putting on some old classic cars and some rally cars. It was pretty cool. Didn't expect the car show. Wasn't washed or anything. But when we got there, we were invited in and we were asked to, so as always we take our opportunity up. I'll do a little time lapse of the cars. But yeah, that's it. I just thought that it's a little bit of content to add in and out. It takes away from the boring, relentless sanding and prepping. But yeah, I'm going to give it a bit of guts now. On the way home, we'll have my Sunday dinner. And I'll let you know this in a week. Take care.
One eternity later.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's Monday afternoon. What's that? Yeah, we'll talk about that right now. So I'm casually driving home, minding my own business, and I get a WhatsApp video call. Think, what the actual heck? I never get these kind of things. Sanders actually never rings me. He just WhatsApps. But anyhow, I get this lovely little phone call just as I'm around the corner. Proper trying to tease me. So yeah, we have paint laid. We have mirrors, we have morettes, We have a vent. We have a grill. We have a spoiler, lower part. We have a bumper, and that is looking fresh. We've got the upper wheel tail. We've got the rear bumper. Don't forget there's a black trim that goes around this section. But yeah, duvet or don't they look great. Happy days. I'm stoked. So yeah, I'm absolutely ecstatic. It's amazing to see the paint laid. Look, it's not diamond white, it's frozen white. I was going to wait till the end, but I don't know. It's going to upset the purists, but gosh, it looks amazing. Matthew's done a great job on the paint so far. Obviously we'll have a polish up and a freshen up when it goes back on the car. Hopefully tomorrow I'll reassemble the front bumper, we'll split it on, hockey sticks and the fogs and etc. Put the heat shield on the rear bumper, get all my little bits on like caps and stuff for the tow eye etc. Maybe look at getting the wolf spoiler if it did. Paint's probably not hard enough yet and I wouldn't want to put that on top right now. But yeah, it's looking absolutely great. I'm not down the body shop for the next few days. It's Monday today, I'm not there till Thursday because I'm tied up with other things, a bit of wedding planning, a bit of work in the other job. Yeah, real world is kind of sinking in now and taking a bit of my time up. But look, Matthew's doing an absolutely fantastic job and it's really come along. And the plan is for it to be reassembled back this weekend. Who knows? Might get a video of doing a little drive or a few little boosts and pull, flame here and there. It's B, my youngest sausage dog's Dashhound's birthday next week, actually on the 16th. So she loves going up in the car. And we promised her that we're going to take her out in there. So being a man of my word, I can't let her down. So yeah, anyhow, I'm going to sign out now and go and have a beer, celebrate, and fingers crossed I have a bit more of an update tomorrow for you and I get this video posted Tuesday night. Cheers everyone, and thanks again for taking the time out, for just being interested and enjoying it. I'm trying to keep the content a bit live, a bit more fun, include a bit more bits in there. Tell me if it's working out for you. If it's not working out for you, leave me a note in the comments. I'm trying to reply to all comments, so, and that's through social media as well, so obviously people that reach out direct to me on there now as well. But yeah, massive thanks and cheers. Right, it's Tuesday, let's put some of this stuff back together. Next job, put the hockey sticks on. Okay, so we're using these self-tappers. I pre-drilled the holes already in the side of the hockey sticks. And I just want to make sure that they're not going to go through the actual bumper. So I've got to be really cautious. These ones in question are the ones used for fastening down roofs. They've got a bit of a rubber washer on them, so when you pull them in, they're not obviously over tightening. Yeah, you can stop with them. Rear bumper where the heat shield is on, the tape, and the inside is also blacked out. Tow eye's looking great. We've got the light back on. If you look over here, the bumper, original, genuine washer jets, all original lights. Tow eyes and caps are on, rear bib, hockey sticks. Morettes are ready to put together. I'll do that another time. A little bit of tweaking around all the lights. You'll also see on Matthew's car, he's currently sporting my carbon style wolf spoiler. Hard to see in the light. But yeah, he's pinched that temporarily. Just know what it is, just a reminder. There you are, so that's it for today. As you seen earlier, the doors are off the car. We're having a light skim now, in readiness to get blocked back and primed. So yeah, it's Tuesday evening. I spent a cheeky hour and a half at the garage after a full shift in work. Knowing for more time in, obviously, like restraints and stuff are coming up today, which is limited by time. Matthew's done an amazing job this week and he's just plodding on. The car will hopefully be in primer come Thursday, maybe paint Friday, Saturday, who knows. And start assembly back this weekend, Sunday. I'll be back at the garage the following Tuesday with the hope that the car will be fully completed, done, dusted, back home in my garage. We'll soon see. Really chuffed with all the bits coming back together now, and it's great. I got my morettes to reassemble. I didn't get around to doing that today. A few little tweaks on the bumper. But yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic, and the paint looks second and that is really nice. I mean, straight out of the gun, it looks fresh. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. Matthew's going to be giving me updates now tomorrow, because I won't be there tomorrow. Hopefully get those two doors which I've shown earlier into primer and get them blocked and sanded on guy coat, and yeah, we're winning. So as always, please like and subscribe, share the video, enjoy it. Any questions, ask. The number, the Instagram or etc. in the bio. So yeah, just enjoy it. So I am. Cheers everyone, thanks.